welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you very simple ways that you can make your dark knuckle eraser oil. Now this oil is very effective and a lot of us are suffering from, dark knuckles, dark knees, dark toes, because we are lightening up our skin and all of that. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that other people can see it and YouTube can put us up there so we can all grow together. Now I'm going to be showing you all the ingredients I'm going to be using today. I'm using this lemon juice. You can use fresh lemon juice. This is what I have today, so this is what I'm using. And I'm also going to be using this lemon clear serum. Now the first time I did this dark knuckle eraser oil, I didn't use lemon clear serum because I used something else, but today I don't have that, so I'm using this lemon clear oil. It's very good as well, very good for dark spots, it helps to clear pigmentations and all of that. So because I don't have my regular oil that I use, which is this Kojic Clear, very good serum, very good serum, I don't have this, I'm out of it, so I'm going to be using the lemon clear that I have on hand. But it is also very nice. We want to use anything that has lemon in it, it will help, so if you don't have this Kojic Clear, you can use the lemon clear serum. Okay, and make sure you're getting the original ones, guys. Make sure you're getting the original one. Don't compromise price for quality. Make sure you're getting the original product. Now I'm also going to be using this more white skin Perfector serum. This is also very good. It helps with dark spots, dark knuckles, dark feet, and all of that. It helps clear, hyperpigmentations and all. So I'm going to be using this. They say it's 7 days whitening, so it's very effective. And make sure when you are buying these things, I can't even emphasize it enough, buy original. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now. Moving forward, I'm going to be showing you the main ingredients that we're going to be using today, the main active that we're using today, which is this Gluthathion 72 action 72 chrome. I think that's the name. Action 72 chrome Gluthathion action 72 chrome serum. It is an amazing serum, very strong, guys. This serum is very strong. You can go online and find out more about it, read about it, the ingredients and all of that, but I tell you that this is amazing. Really good, really good. It is amazing. So because of how strong it is, I will not advise you to use it on your face. Please, guys, don't use it on your face at all, because this is very strong. It is concentrated, really concentrated. You don't want to be using it on your face. So this is what it looks like in the container. It's very effective. Now because this is our main ingredient, I'm going to be using half of this bottle for this recipe. Half of the bottle, that's what I'm going to be using. And then our lemon juice, which I said you can use fresh lemon juice, which will be very good, but because I couldn't find fresh lemon juice at the time when I bought this one, I had to go ahead to get this. So we're using 2 tablespoons of our lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, that's what we're using. Again, guys, don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a beautiful comment. Okay guys, so after every addition, after every ingredient that you put in, make sure you stir so they mix in properly before the next ingredient comes in. So next I'm going to be using our lemon clear oil. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of our lemon clear oil, which is 4 spoons of 1/4 measurement. But I didn't have my 1 tablespoon measurement spoon available or around me, so I had to use this one. So I used 4 spoons of our 1/4 or tablespoon of our 1/4 spoon. I'm putting 4, which is 1 tablespoon. I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description bar, with the measurements and all in the description bar, so you can go there and check it out and try this oil for yourself. It's really effective. Next, I'm going to be using our More White Skin Perfector serum. I'm also going to be using 1 tablespoon of this. 1 tablespoon, that's 4 spoons of our 1/4 measurement. And yeah, that's 1 tablespoon. And you go ahead to mix that in. Make sure everything is mixed in properly, guys. Take your time to mix everything together. See how beautiful this serum is. It's so cute. Like, the yellow is so beautiful. Very beautiful. And yeah, this is our very simple dark knuckle eraser cream, or dark knuckle whitening oil or serum. This I'm going to be using to clear my knuckles, because I have been working so much and I've not had time to restock on supplies. Apart from that, I hate working with gloves. Like, I can't do anything with gloves, so I have been messing up my knuckles, making, a lot of customers are like, oh, your knuckles are dark. How do you do organic creams and your knuckles are dark? And when you try to explain to them, they don't get it. So I decided to do this oil or serum for you guys and for me as well. So I'm just going to be pouring it into this dropper bottle, which will make it very easy for me to use it, because I just go ahead and I'm just trying to pull out the dropper thingy. So it's very easy to use, very convenient. You can carry this bottle anywhere you're going, because you want to make sure you're putting this oil on your hands as many times as you can. Oh, look at how pretty it is. Make sure you're putting it as many times as you can. And yeah, again, if you haven't subscribed, please I'm begging, go now to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell, so you'll be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me. So now I'm just putting the oil on my knuckles. Make sure you're putting this oil on the area that you want to lighten up or you want to brighten up. Make sure you're putting it on the exact point where you want to treat. Don't rub it all over your hands. Just put it on the exact point where you want to treat, and everything will be fine. Because if you put it on all over your hands, it will be working, but because the part that is dark is still very dark, the other parts will be lightening up, while it's, I don't know how to explain it, but just put it on your knuckles alone, on the affected areas alone, and you'll be good to go. So you would see, I know a lot of you will say, oh, how long will it take for me to see results? You will start seeing tremendous results within the first 1 week, 2 weeks, depends on your body or your skin type. So yeah, bye guys.